I surrender to your elected you. I surrender to your elected you. I surrender.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my spring twist. This spring twist I've been in for a couple weeks now, so that's why they look kind of old, so don't judge yet. Although I went ahead to kind of revamp it to make it look better because it was looking worse than this. Okay, it looked like this, okay, and I went to go and revamp it to look like this. Okay, so girl, you better go watch that video because I have a video on it, of course, duh. Anyways, I'm going to leave the link to that video in the description box below if you guys want to see how to revamp your box braids or whatever. So what do I want to say again? Oh, I use 4 bags of hair. I know, do not scream. A lot of people use 1.5 bag or 2 bags. I know, but I made mine really long. I'm 5'7", and when I pull this hair down, it gets below my butt. Okay, so it's super long. That's why I use 4 bags. So don't cut my head yet before anyone comes and is like, you really don't need to use that much bags. And I'm like, I know, it's just long. That's why I did that. So don't take it easy, okay? Okay guys, I'm going to let you guys watch this video right now, and I'll see you guys at the very end. Bye. Mwah. So guys, this is the hair I'm going to be using. This hair was sent to me by a company called Beyond Beauty. All the details of this hair are going to be in the description box below, so be sure to check it out if you want to buy it. Here I'm just showing you guys how I separate the hair. You do not want to use the hair like that straight out of the pack because it's not going to even look nice at all. One tip I'm going to tell you guys is when separating this hair, it is best to start from one end of the hair and then work your way to the other end, just like I am doing right here. Just use your thumb and try to separate it, and that way you're going to experience very minimal tangling, and your life is just going to be a whole lot easier. So this is what it looks like after I've separated it. That's how you want it. Without it being separated, you don't want it like that, okay? Anyways, just go ahead and section your hair. Look, guys, do not even judge my parting because I was not even looking at a mirror while doing this. I just wanted to do this hair and get it done with. Anyways, you're going to go ahead and put your choice of cream on your hair. And as I said earlier, I'm using 2 strands, and this is how I did it so that I get the maximum length. As you can see, I'm putting 2 strands like that on each other. If I had gone ahead to use just 1 strand of the hair, this is how short it would be, and I did not want that, okay? I was going for something long and luscious, you know. Anyways, go ahead and put your hair together like that, and then we're going to start braiding. So at the beginning, I did do braids first because I do not know how to do twist from the beginning on my own head. So go ahead and just braid like you're doing regular box braids. And I braid for a good maybe like 4 or 5 times. I don't know, I wasn't counting. And then I'm going to separate my own hair and just make sure that my hair is on every strand of the braid, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to just start twisting. And how you want to twist this passion twist, you're not going to be rolling the hair, you're just basically crisscrossing each strand on the other one. Like, it's just very easy, anyone can do this. I'm literally just, even a baby will be able to do this hairstyle. Just go ahead and just literally roll one hair on the other one. That's all you're doing, nothing too deep. It's not like regular Senegalese twist. So honey, if you think you can't twist, just go and get passion twist and you will know that you can twist, okay? When you get towards the end, just keep doing the same thing you've been doing from the beginning. And to seal the end, there's really no big deal. Just go ahead and swirl it like that. That's literally all you have to do. You do not have to dip this hair into hot water or anything. But to make it look nice and professional, we're going to go ahead and cut off that scruffy end. We don't need it. Then that is all that is to be done, seriously. Now I'm just going to go ahead and make the hair look a little bit shinier by rubbing my hair cream on it. And then if you want more length, just go ahead and use your blow dryer to stretch out the hair. You want your blow dryer to be as hot as possible, girl. That's the best way to stretch this hair. I did not stretch it too much because I really did not need it that long. It was already long enough. This is a long look. Without even stretching the hair, it gets to right on my waist, and then when I finally pull it down, it's going below my butt. So anyways guys, that's pretty much it. I've had this hair for a couple weeks now. It's not up to a month yet, so it's already kind of old. As I said earlier, I'm gonna come up close so you guys can see what the body looks like. Anyways, if you like this video, why don't you just go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up because it helps my video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.